Alright, how's it going, YouTube? So today we out testing the new CCS carbon chassis. So I got a cone set up. This is the start of the 132 and that's the end. Hopefully I can get my GNSS to work today. It's a new one. I set it up and everything, so we're gonna go ahead and test. If not, we'll still do some testing. This is the 3.5 Tiki motor that's in there. I'm not planning on keeping that motor in there. So what I'm really testing is to make sure that the car is still dialed in and going straight, since it's a new chassis. It's also lighter, so I'm gonna find out where I need to place the battery to make sure the car stays stable and go from there. So y'all stay tuned. Let me go ahead and get it set. All right, YouTube, we got everything set up. So let's give it its first run. I'm not expecting nothing major. Not expecting nothing major. I'm honestly just want to see the car go down there, honestly. See how this wheelie bar works. We should be ready. See what it do. A lot of body drag. A lot of pulling. I believe that's from the body drag. All right, let me see if I can fix that. It did take off nice, but let me see if I can fix that. Let's see what happened. Did 5.9 at 25. Got a lot of body drag. That's definitely gonna mess us up. Let me try to trim it out. All right, YouTube, we did a little trimming. This is the body for the other car. I'm not gonna be using it on this one, but I had to trim it just so I can test. I haven't finished yet painting the body. I need to run to the hobby store actually and grab the paint. So let's ready it. Hopefully y'all seeing that. Let me actually turn up the brightness. Yeah, it's all the way up. Let's ready that. Let me actually stop it because I want to set it up first. All right, let's drag, ready, see what it do. Woo, might be too much, huh? All right, YouTube, we had some altercations. The car flipped. I also lost a wheel on the wheelie bar. I was gonna change that anyway. I didn't really like it. I'm supposed to be ordering a single wheel wheelie bar, so we'll see. I dropped the tune right now just so I can try to make a clean pass. So let's see what happens. Ready? The wind's actually blowing that way, so I don't want to trim nothing else out now because I believe the wind is what's carrying it that way. But I believe that signal loss from that's the beep I'm getting. But let's see what happened. I got 2.7 at 63. It's not bad. See, this 3.5 Tiki motor is straight has sorry for all of that, but it has the stock rotor in there, so really and truly it doesn't have let me shut that off, sorry about that. It doesn't have like a torquey rotor, so it doesn't have that much power, should I say. So I'm defeating the odds playing with that motor. That's why I want to get a new motor, and hopefully the next motor I get I can tune better and go from there. So I'm gonna get about 2 more test hits in and see if we can get better than that 2.7. All right, y'all, drag, ready. Let's see if we can get down there. Definitely spinning. This ground is not the best ground either. Let's change some things. All right, y'all, let's give it another shot. Let's back out of that, drag, ready, see what it do. That was not bad. See what it did. 2.8 at 57. let's try to tighten that up. All right, y'all, let's hit it again. See if it gets better. It's going nice and straight. Can't go wrong there. Read 2.7 at 58. All right, let's do some tidying up. All right, y'all, ready? See if it flip or it hold. Ooh, felt like it was gonna pull on me. All right, y'all, I did some changes in the remote, so let's see what happens. We're gonna go for drag. I'm gonna set it up first. I also moved the battery just a little bit up, so when it starts going, it should stay on its front. We'll see. Car going straight though, besides when the power kick in. It's too much. Started spinning on me. It could be that this ground is also, it sucks. It's a bunch of sand on the ground. So I'm just trying to defeat the odds right now, y'all. All right, y'all, this probably be the last hit. So far, I'm liking it. I got work to do. It would be nice to have 2 wheels on the wheelie bar, but it is what it is. So drag, ready, see what it do. Something happened, car shut off on me. It was rolling though. All right, y'all, so let's read it. Got 2.7 at 65. Not bad. Still not the motor I want to keep in here. Still got a lot more tuning to do with this. This was only the first day out. So, sound like my motor got hot as well. I don't got the fan on. I figured it was a nice day, so. But anyway, all right, guys, I'm gonna call it a wrap. I'm gonna take it back to the bench and we'll go over it and see what happens. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna do one more hit, and what I'm gonna, this is what I'm thinking what's happening. So every time my car pulls to the right, as soon as it gets right around that pothole, if y'all could see it, the manhole, sewer hole, however y'all want to call it, it pulls to the right. Why I think that is because I have one wheelie bar. Me seeing the wheelie bar, it is touching the ground, so that means it is working. But what it's doing is it's probably hitting and going straight that. I'm sorry if y'all couldn't see that, but it's probably hitting and pulling the car straight to the right. So I'm gonna give it one more hit, and just to confirm my suspicion. So anyway, let's see what happens. Oh, pinion came off. Let's see if we can find it. I did bring a tool to tighten it, but if we can't find it, then we might as well call it a wrap, y'all. All right, y'all, so we found the pinion. I moved the wheelie bar a little bit down. So let's give it this hit, see what happens. Read. All right. That was a good hit. .28 at 58. Battery's definitely dying. Hopefully y'all seeing all those screenshots I was hopefully y'all seeing what I was showing the whole time. But try one more thing and then we'll call it a wrap. Alright, this is gonna be my last hit. I'm just testing something out to see what happens. Not bad, not bad. Alright. Fortunately, the surface wasn't the best, and we'll take it back to the bench, see what happens. I know I always say the last one, but that's what happens. $2,759, not bad. Not bad for the first day out. Let's see what happens. A lot better. I'm gonna call it a wrap though. I'm sure I tanked this battery by now. Got it to go straight. 2.6. There we go. We was in the right direction. Should be 2.4 on a regular tree. But 59, I'm not happy with the mile an hour, but it is what it is. We'll do some tuning. I probably won't get it back out with this motor. I'll probably get the new motor, but we'll see. All right, guys. All right, you two. So this is the after run. To me, I'm happy with the chassis. So far, it's holding up. I did get it to go straight a few times. I did put more power down in this car than I normally would. For instance, if I start with a 98 or 97 ramp, when the car was flipping, I was trying a 96, 95 ramp. So it was just bringing it in too soon. And also, as I told y'all, this motor is basically stock. I did have a 12.0 shaft in there, and I ended up bending it when I got into an accident with the car. So I put back in the stock shaft. So as I told y'all in the video, it doesn't have as much torque as one of the other motors will have. So that's why I'm looking to get a better motor, and then I'll tune off of that and go from there. Still got some more changes to do. I did run the tires with foams in them. I didn't want to try air in that parking lot because it was just too much rocks, and I didn't want the air to grip the tire to grip the ground and rip, you know, and start to leak. So I figured I'd just save that for my spot. But if I can get the car to go there straight, I know I can get it to go anywhere straight. So right now, I'm still waiting on the receiver for this. I end up using this tray. What I did was also, I said it, but I started at this hole. But I figured as the car got to rolling, timing got to going and everything like that, it started to lift. So I just moved the battery forward, which helped. But also, the woolly bar wheel came on. So I feel it was just hitting on this right one and pulling the car to the right. If you notice in the video, most of the time the car pulled to the right every time. And I'm assuming that it was because of that wheel. So I'll get that fixed up, either put another wheel on there or something. I really want the single wheel woolly bar, but we'll see. Alright, so far I'm happy with the outcome of the car. We'll definitely do some more tuning. I'm really looking forward to changing this motor, to seeing what a torqueier motor can do off the line, and then go from there. So alright guys, y'all stay tuned. I'll definitely be bringing y'all more. The next testing tune with this car should be either with the new motor, or I'm just feeling a little froggy and want to try it again with this one. So also the body will be done. So all right, guys.